Okay, hi Fion, good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so today Fion, we will be learning how to solve equations, okay? So solving equations. Okay, let's go straight to our first example, Fion. So what we have here is 3x minus 2 is equals to x plus 8. Okay, as you can see here, Fion, you have two algebraic expression at both sides of the equal sign, right? At the left
Yeah.
side of the sign, you have 3x minus 2. At its right is x plus 8. Now, all you need to do, Fion, actually is this. This is one thing that you need to remember. You just have to group the ones with the variables and the ones that are constant. Okay? The ones with the variable are,
Oh.
these are the terms containing the variables x or y or z. Now, in this case, we only have one variable that is x, okay? You just group them together. So, to make it easier, all the variables at the left side of the equation and then all the constants at its right, okay? So, instead of x minus 2, it becomes 3x, okay?
Minus.
Yes, you transfer this one, right? The x, you transfer it to the other side of
Yeah,
the
and then
x.
it
Yes.
becomes the opposite.
Yes, it
Yeah.
becomes minus x. Minus because from this side, it's positive. When it goes to the other side, it becomes negative, okay? Understood? Is equals to,
Yeah.
and then you have 8. No need to change
Um,
any about the 8. And
plus
then,
2.
yes, it becomes plus 2. Why? Because from here, it's minus 2. When you transfer it to the other side of the equation, it becomes plus. Get it?
Positive.
Okay. So
Yes.
3x minus x, what do you get?
2x.
Yes. Thank you so much for the Fion. So you have 2x is equals to 8 plus 2, that's 10.
10.
Okay.
And then divide by 2.
Yes, we're not done yet. We need to take out this
Ah.
one, right? We have to get rid of these 2 here.
Simplify.
How do we get rid of that? We divide both sides by 2.
2.
2, 2, so that you can cancel this. And then what you have left is 10 over 2, which
X
is
equals 5.
5. So therefore, the answer is x is equals to 5.
Oh, now I remember. I just forgot how to do it.
Get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, how about we move on to our next problem, Fion?
Okay.
Okay. Problem number 2, you have 2 times x plus 3 is equals to 3 times x minus 2. Okay. Now, before transposing any of the terms, you need to do the operation first within the parentheses, okay? So, what we will do here is we will distribute the 2, this one, okay? We will multiply it to the terms inside the parentheses. So, it becomes 2 times x, we get 2x, right?
12.
Plus
6.
6, because this is how to do it. You multiply the 2 here and then multiply it here again. That's why you get 2x and then plus 6. Okay? Okay. And then equals, again, you multiply 3 and
3x.
x. Yes, so that's why you have 3x. What else? And then 3
6.
and 2. It's minus because you just have to copy the sign here. Minus 6. Yeah, that's it.
6.
Okay. As what I have said earlier, you just have to group all the terms that have the variable and all the constants at the other side. So 2x and 3x, they need to be grouped at the other side, at the left side. So this becomes 2x. We will move the
Minus.
3x to the left. So this becomes minus 3x. And then what you have left is you have negative 6. Then 6 here transfers to
Plus.
the right. So this becomes minus
-6.
minus 6, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So 2x minus 3x, you have negative x, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. And then negative 6 minus 6, how do we subtract unlike signs? Okay, this
Uh,
becomes negative 6, minus becomes plus, and then the second
uh,
term, you change the sign of the second term. So instead of positive 6, it becomes negative 6. Get it? So you have now negative x is equals to negative 6 plus negative 6, you have negative 12. Now,
12.
you're not supposed to have a negative variable. So once again, you divide the left side with negative 1, but you do the same thing at the right side. So all you have left now is negative x divided by negative 1 is x. And the negative 12
And
divided by
then
negative
12.
1 is 12. So your answer, your final answer is x equals to 12. Understood, Fion?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did I make it easier?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's move on to our last example. The third one. Okay. So you have 2x minus 5 minus 4x minus 8 is equals to 4 minus x. Okay. So to make it far easier, let's group first the variables and the constants. Okay. So let's just move this the terms at the left side. So 2x minus 4x. No changing of sign because you did not transpose it from one side to another. Okay, you just
Yeah.
exchange places. So no need to change the signs. The minus 5 here is the same. Minus 5 and then minus 8. So 4 minus x. I did that so that it would be a lot easier for you to combine terms. So 2x minus 4x, what do you get?
Uh, Wait. Why am I getting confused? But negative 2x.
Yes, that's good. That's good, Fiona. Fiona. Negative 2x. Negative 5 minus 8, you get
Mm,
minus 13, right?
yes. I'm very slow.
And then 4 minus x. Okay. So this time, we have reached the point wherein once again, we need to transpose. Okay? We combine terms. We combine the like terms. We combine the the ones with the variables and then the constant at the other side. So negative 2x, transpose the x here to the other side, it becomes plus x.
Plus.
Yes, that's good. And then you have 4. And then instead of minus 13, when you transpose it to the right, it becomes plus 13.
Plus.
Yes. So negative 2x plus x, you get negative x.
Negative x.
4 plus 13, you get 17.
Uh,
Okay.
17.
Again, we're not allowed to have a negative variable. So what do you need to do? You just multiply or divide each side with negative 1. So this becomes x is equals to negative 17.
17.
And then that's your final answer. Okay, Fion?
Oh. Yeah.
Okay. So now that I have already given you a quick few examples about solving equations. So right after this Zoom meeting, I'll be sending you problems, at least 3 problems for you to solve. Okay? Just a little bit of
Okay.
practice so that you may be able to truly understand how to do it on your own. So that's
Okay.
all, Fion. Good evening. Bye.